Here's a review of Diagon Alley Weasley's Wizard Wheezes, which retails for $90. This was sent to me by the LEGO Ambassador Network to review, which I'm very thankful for. We get Fred, George, Ron, Ginny, Lavender Brown, Romilda Vane, and an owl post worker. This set consists of 2 buildings, which are completely modular. This is the owl post, which I think is pretty small and random. It has a spot for owls, a sign, and a desk at the front door. The interior is very small, but inside is a sticker to the wall, a mailbox in the side, and a mail drop function at the top. As for Weasley's Wizard Wheezes, this is more compact compared to the 2020 version. There's a sign in the front, and a statue that can move its hat up and down. Inside is a bunch of Weasley products, including Peruvian Instant Darkness Powder, Puking Pastils, an Umbridge puppet, Love Potions, Pygmy Puffs, Sticky Trainers, and so many other joke products. While not perfect, I think this is a better alternative to the 2020 Diagon Alley set, so I give this a 7 out of 10, but let me know what you guys think.